So I tested the Shure Sm7B and the Shure MV7X, so you don't have to. So this is the Shure MV7X with Elgato Wavelink. There are about 6 VST plugins enabled for post-processing, some noise removal. There's a de-esser, there's noise gate, there's a EQ, a limiter, and something else called Le Petit Excite, which I think just kind of boosts some lows and highs. And this sounds pretty good. Right here, I do have a Shure Sm7B that we're going to plug in, and we're going to compare if this sounds good, better, or worse than this microphone. Okay, so to keep in mind, this is the Shure Sm7B with the same plugins, same VSTs. I did have to boost the gain from 60 on the MV7X to 75 on the 7B. And this is the sound quality on the Sm7B. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. We're going to go ahead and this time add a Cloudlifter to the setup and see how that sounds. Now this is the Shure Sm7B with the Cloudlifter, 48 volts of phantom power at 60 dB with the same VST plugins as the MV7X. Let me know down in the comments down below which one sounds better.